Alrighty, so we're going to begin on our main page and we are going to add an activity. And so for you to upload a video without extra content, we're going to click label. So now we're going to go ahead and type in the name of whatever the file may be. Now after you've done that, you're going to highlight the name and then click link. So if you have the URL, if you have the file, whatever it may be, that is where you're going to insert that link into there. And once it turns green, that is how you know it is linked, set, and ready to go. Then go back to the home page. As a label, only the video is displaying on the screen.